Now, first of all, I need to do a big shout out to Josh Billingsley and his son Luke. Hello, Luke. Hope you're well. Excellent parenting, Josh, and I hope you both enjoy the lesson. Now, the intro part is obviously finger-picked and it's played on an acoustic. But I'm going to teach you this on electric, and I'm using neck position here because with the 91 and these settings, it's got a really cool part that Stone plays. That part, which I think is just tremendous. So we'll try and cover all the parts. First part though is going to be finger picked. So we have the chords first: A minor to C, F, but with an open B, E minor. Okay, and I'm fretting that by just sliding down my third and fourth fingers, okay? But you're going to be using fingers for this bit. Now there's a pull off there. Okay, and you're also going to hit the root again. Okay. Hear that? So those notes ring out at the same time. So that's how Ed plays it. And for these parts, I would do thumb, thumb. Because then you've got three, fingers to do the D, G and B string. Which is probably what Eddie's doing, okay? So, to speed. 3, 4. Okay. Now, if you don't want to do finger picking, you can just pick it, right? Then we have some electric overdubs. I don't know if this is Mike or Stone really, but it goes like this. Second time variation. Pretty straightforward, right? You've got the tab. I'm not going to labour that. Then we go into the second section, which is awesome. So distortion on, and we have... and around, okay? So we go D5. Then this first finger is going to slide down just one fret. And it comes in on the forehand, so. And that first one hangs over into the next bar. Then you do another 3, so. C. F. Like that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1. And around again. Now Ed on the acoustic meanwhile is doing a slightly different rhythm. Same chords, but he plays 3, 4. So it's down, 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 change, down, 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 down. You could do alternate strumming if you want, but I'm not going to bother. And then the C to F bit just goes down, 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 change. After that, we go to the sort of middle 8 part. Continuation, really, but Stone sort of branches off with a little melody line, which goes... So we go... Okay, so the D5. Then we have... That hangs over into the next bar then. So you're outlining the same chords. So you can keep the shape if you want. Subtle variation the second time. And there's a little turnaround as well where we go. And then the outro is just... You end on the A minor. And that is it. All the parts you need to nail this tune. Josh and Luke, hope you enjoyed this one. See you soon.